Okay, so now we're looking at systems of equations. So 31 tells you to sketch the following graph. So if it's no solution, remember that means they're parallel, so they never touch, because the solution to a system is where the two lines intersect. Now if it has 3, 4, that's over 3, up 4. It doesn't matter what they look like because we're just sketching. It's just that they touch somewhere about 3, 4. Infinitely many solutions can look like any line, but remember it's two lines that are exactly the same, so they're right on top of each other. Okay, 32. Here, this one's set up for substitution because my y is alone, and then this is in standard form, so I can replace y with 2x. So 2 times 2x minus x equals 4. That gives me 4x minus x equals 4. Well, this is the same in 4x minus 1x. So we get 3x equals 4 divided by 3, divided by 3, and I get 4/3. So I know that that is half of my answer because my answer is going to be an x comma y. So x is 4/3. And to find my y, I can literally just use that. So y equals 2 times x, which is 4/3. And I get alpha y equals enter. Let's do 2 times alpha y equals enter. And I have 8/3. So y equals 8/3. And we could double check our work. We already know it works for that one because we just plugged it in, so let's try this one. So 2 times my y, which is 8/3, minus my x, which is 4/3, should equal 4, and it worked. So here again, this one's set up for substitution. So I'm replacing my x with 2y minus 1, so 4 times 2y minus 1 minus 3y equals 21. Distribute 8y minus 4 minus 3y equals 21. Well, I know I need to get rid of this 4 because these have y's and this doesn't. So add 4, and 8 minus 3y is 5y equals 25. Divide by 5, divide by 5, I get y equals 5. So again, that's half my answer. And now I have to find x, which it always works out perfect. So x equals 2 times 5 minus 1. And I get 9. And again, I can check my work. So I just typed it into that one. So we typed it in the other one. So 4 times x is 9, minus 3 times 5 is equal to 21, and it worked. Okay, this last one is set up more for elimination. I was thinking big addition because that's what I called it. So if I want to cancel the x's, I'm going to multiply this one because to cancel a positive 2x, I need a negative 2x. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12y. Negative 2 times 32 is 64. Negative 64. Yeah, I don't know why I was second guessing myself with that. Bring down that other equation. So 2x plus 3y equals 10. And do big addition. Well, that eliminates, and I get negative 9y equals negative 54. Divide by negative 9, divide by negative 9. Well, 2 negatives makes a positive, and 54 is 6. 54 divided by 9 is 6. I second guess myself again. So there's half my answer. Now, if my test is multiple choice and I see only one of them has y is 6, can I choose that answer? Yes. However, we need to go back in because this is not multiple choice, and I'm going to plug it into this second one before I multiply it. So I have x plus 6 times y is 6 equals 32.